Hello Team Zug, and today we have another package. So, if you're wondering what this is a mystery Golden Bear Thomas item. I have no idea what this could be, since I ordered a bunch of Golden Bear Thomas items. So yeah, the items I ordered are Edward, Duck, Donald, Douglas, and Annie. So I don't know which is which yet, so let's see who it is. Let's get the scissors and let's get unwrapping. Also, I signed my own signature, by the way, so that's pretty cool. Oh my goodness, I just figured out who it is. It is the item that is is my favorite character, the character that I've been waiting to get for so long in my whole existence. It's none other than the really useful old iron. Any guesses who it is? Yep. It's Edward. Let's get him free from his prison. There he is. My favorite Thomas character of all time. Edward the Blue Engine. It's in nib condition. Really great condition. I don't think it's ever been played with. Here he is. Oh, accident caused a little scratch, but it doesn't matter that much. But yep, he is Edward. In really kind of good condition. But yep, really good item. So I have him with the rest of the fleet. Fun fact, Edward actually shares the same mold as James, if you look closely. Yeah, since these guys were the first molds they ever made. So this is what Golden Bear did for the cheap style. They reused the molds of, like, for example, when they made Thomas, they just reused his mold to make Percy. And when they made Golden, they reused his mold from Henry. And when they made Edward, they reused his mold for James. But obviously when they made Toby, Duck, Donald, Douglas, Alpha, they changed the designs for them. So that's pretty cool. Yep, this is my... So yeah. So the other items that are on their way are Duck, Donald, Douglas, and Annie. Oh yeah, I just want to make a comparison from the push long to my talking one I had for like a year. Here the difference. Mine can move, and this one, well, I have moving eyes. Yeah, the reason I got the small one is because the big one would not fly, but the talking one could. So the reason I got Edward is because I wanted to make a Golden Bear / Tug style series. So yeah, I'm going to be talking about it in the future. So yeah, peace out guys, this is Team Zug signing out. Peace out. And I'll see you next time.